Galna?
Yeah, G-A-U-N-A.
G-A-U-N-A? Bart, you said the annex? The annex?
No.
I'm the annex.
Goes the penalty.
All right, just take the ones you got.
Well, we got to do that plea, guys.
I'm gonna have to wait.
Kenneth Lamique or
Meek?
Lamique?
So plea on Lamique, page 2.
I don't know. Who? You have a interpreter for Lala Lala.
All right, it's clause number 738829, State of Texas versus Kenneth Lamique. Is that how you say your name, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Lamique? All right. Mr. Lamique, good morning, first of all, sir. Could you raise your right hand? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
Thank you, sir. You can lower your hand. Mr. Lamique, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
yes,
Thank you, sir. Mr. Lamique, let me see. You're charged with the offense of criminal trespass to private property. That is a Class B misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
yes,
Mr. Lamique, you have several legal rights. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case. And what that means, sir, is you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where Mr. Harkowitz, your lawyer, can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Lamique, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Lamique, do you understand, sir, you have those rights?
yes,
Do you also understand, sir, that you do not have to give up those rights?
right,
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can. And you do it by filling out this paperwork called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer, Mr. Lamique, before you signed it?
yes, I did.
And do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes,
Great, because these documents tell the court that you understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Lamique, is that what you want to do?
right,
Say again?
yes,
All right, great. Then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Lamique, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, I don't have to go along with this agreement. However, if I don't go along with the agreement, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. You understand, sir?
yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Lamique, listen up, sir. State of Texas is going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, state.
Judge, I just need to clarify on the probation form. It was the application for deferred, but Mr. Lamique wants the 6 months probated for 10 months.
Okay.
There was two separate offers and
Okay. $500 fine, fully probated, court costs, 10 months in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for a period of 6 months, 24 hours community service.
no, actually, that it's 6 months probated for 10 months.
Okay. Well, because it's a class B, so I thought I could only do 6 months.
I'm sorry?
Isn't
Yeah,
it
you
a-
can only do 6 months underlying. Counsel's right. You said
Correct.
10 months underlying.
Which one? Okay.
So it's 180 days probated for 10 months, correct?
Okay. Yes.
All right, got it.
24 hours community service, the mental health evaluation and follow all recommendations, a TAP evaluation and follow all recommendations, and then a no contact order with Gloria Coffey, spelled Coffey, at 3423 Nantucket Drive, San Antonio, Texas, 78230.
Right.
Give me that address again on Nantucket. What was the numbers?
3423.
3423. All right, let's see what I got. $500 fine, which is to be probated. Court costs, 180 days in the Bear County Jail, probated for a period of 10 months, 24 hours community service restitution. TAP evaluation, no contact with Gloria Coffee at 3423 Nantucket Drive, 78230. And then there was another,
Mental health evaluation.
where is that even on here, or do I have to write that in? Let's see. I don't see it.
Probably have to type it in, Judge.
Yeah, mental health eval. All right, mental health eval. Follow. All right, mental health eval and follow it. All right, Mr. Let's see, Mr. Lamique. It's a $500 fine to be probated. Court cost 180 days in Bear County Jail, probated for 10 months, 24 hours community service restitution. They're going to do a TAP evaluation and a mental health evaluation, and you're to follow the recs of the mental health eval. And you stay away from Gloria Coffee at 3423 Nantucket Drive, 78230. Is that your understanding of the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Mia, did I leave anything out?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Harkowitz, is that your understanding of the agreement?
It is, Your Honor, and Mr. Lemick, you understand you can't be in contact with your mother or go back to the Matthews address
Hold on.
either, or you're going to get arrested for criminal trespass again.
How long?
All right, good. All right, Stephen, does your client, Mr. Lamique, have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
In my opinion, he is, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Kenneth Lamique, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please tell me, sir, how you pleaded the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass to private property. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
Mr. Lamique, you understand I can still find you guilty based upon that plea?
Yes.
Anybody force you, threaten you, put you in fear, or promise you anything to make you plead?
No.
You're doing so freely and voluntarily.
Right.
Thank you, Mr. Lamique. I will accept that plea. Upon that plea, I do find you guilty of criminal trespass to private property. I assess punishment at a $500 fine and 180 days in the Bear County Jail. The $500 fine is to be probated, and I will grant your application for probation for a period of 10 months. There is the cost of court, 24 hours community service restitution. You will submit to a TAP evaluation and a mental health evaluation and follow its recommendations. You're to have no contact with Gloria Coffee at 3423 Nantucket Drive, San Antonio, 78230. Mr. Lamique, this is a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal. Mr. Lamique, do you have any questions?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
Judge,
you will
Mr.
hang on.
Lemique is basically homeless, so I'd ask that you assess the supervision fee at the minimum.
Yeah, that's fine. Mr. Lamique, hang on for a second. You'll talk to probation here and sign your conditions before they take you back, okay?
Okay.
All right, take care of yourself. Good luck.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, Stephen, thank you. And so
Thank you,
can Angelise, but unfortunately Valverde's got to stay now to do these conditions.
Already, they're gonna put him in room one. Go to room one.
Okay, thank you.
Yes,
Thanks,
ma'am.
everyone. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. All right, Judge. Now on to the misdemeanors.
Let me just